Cable has been moving markets for over a century, and for good reason. GBPUSD, the British pound against the US dollar, is one of the most traded currency pairs in the world. The nickname cable goes back to the 1800s, when exchange rates between London and New York were transmitted through a transatlantic telegraph cable laid across the ocean floor. The name stuck. The pair is still just as relevant today. Here is what the price actually tells you. If GBPUSD is trading at 1.27 euro, that means 1 British pound buys $1.27. When the price climbs, the pound is gaining strength against the dollar. When it falls, the pound is weakening. Everything about trading this pair comes back to that simple relationship, the relative economic strength of the UK versus the US at any given moment. So what moves cable? A few key forces. Interest rates are the big one. The Bank of England sets rates for the UK. The US Federal Reserve sets them for the US. When one central bank raises rates relative to the other, its currency tends to attract more demand, and the pair shifts accordingly. Inflation data, employment figures, and GDP numbers all feed into those rate decisions, so those releases move the market too. In the US, the monthly non-farm payrolls report is one of the most market-moving data releases in all of Forex. Political events matter as well. The pound has historically shown sharp swings during periods of UK political uncertainty. Cable is also known for its volatility. It makes larger price moves compared to some other major pairs. That creates more opportunity, but it also creates more risk. Price can shift fast, especially around news events. That is not a reason to avoid the pair. It is a reason to take risk management seriously before you ever enter a trade. The best time to trade GBPUSD is when the London and New York sessions overlap, roughly 8 in the morning to noon Eastern Time. Both major financial centers are active during that window. Volume is high, spreads tend to tighten, and price moves with more purpose. Trading during quieter hours, like the Asian session, is possible, but movement is often slower and less defined. Before you trade this pair with real money, understand the economic calendar. Know what data is scheduled. Unexpected news releases are one of the fastest ways to get caught offside in a volatile market. And watch your trading costs. Even tight spreads add up when you overtrade. If you want to build familiarity with cable without putting capital at risk, a demo account at ZenithFX.com lets you practice at real market prices with virtual funds. That hands-on repetition is where the real learning happens.